It's real nice out here. Everybody's taking pictures with their phones. Day 2 of the trip. We finally made it to Canon City, the family. So now we're about to do the train ride. We're here at the Royal Gorge.
Yeah.
Royal Gorge train service. Say hi to the family. Wait, we're missing one. So yeah, looks like there's a train. About to get on the train. Go ahead, start walking, bro. We're about to get on the train. I don't know which way we're gonna go, but that's what I'm doing, just follow people.
No, I said first.
About to get on this train. Everybody's taking pictures with their phones. Just a cool sight to see. He like, stay by mama. I don't like him getting too far away from you or me.
Yeah. Up. Hey. It's just good. Definitely an experience. Gotta come do it. Have fun, baby. Good time. Nice, great scenery. If you're ever in Canon City, do it. Huh?
that was it for the train ride. You kids have a fun time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dear, you have a fun time?
Yes.
She's doing something. So if you're ever in Canyon or
Canon City.
Canyon City and you want to have a fun-filled adventure, you go ahead and check that train ride out. I forgot what it was called already.
The Royal Gorge
The Royal Gorge
route, something like that.
route. I'm gonna try not to make this video long. I know it's a bunch of scenery, but that stuff is kind of cool to me, seeing mountains and different valleys, because I'm from Kansas. And oh, Audrey wants to show her cup.
No, that's Maya.
Oh, Maya wants to show the cup.
Says, what the train
There it is.
What does it say?
So like I said, we're in Kansas, so we don't get to see mountains and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool when you get to venture out and check those things out. So stay tuned for more.